Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about device section, then go to the status. Not status, go to the version. Here you have to find this line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now in developer mode. So after that you go to system settings, and here you can find these developer options. So here you can get to know with all these very advanced, hidden, interesting developer options. You can also disable them right here, and after that they will disappear from your settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.